up there. Look at them.
Fuck you! Fuck you! Pigs! This is our money! Fuck you!
My money pays for your gear.
Stand down, police! Stand down!
This is ours!
Fucking enemy of us, dude. You lying fucking cocks are the enemy of the people of this country. All you do is fucking lie and twist shit around to fit some fucking corporate fucking narrative. Fucking worthless piece of shit. Pack your shit and get the fuck on, dude. All you can do is twist it and show bullshit and fucking lie, and you know that. You fucking piece of shit, bitch. You gotta get up.
This is what Democrats did in 2020!